Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, on gold, I still think it's very clear this is a 1, 2, 3. If we are in a wave 4, then this is probably going to look something like this, maybe down to like the 38% before it heads back up and makes the wave 5, probably lasting at least 5 or 6 months. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, we do have a break on the weekly, so the trend is down on the weekly now. So I think that we should primarily be looking for sorts in a downtrend. I would expect to see some sort of a corrective pattern down to at least the 38% and maybe even beyond. Heading down to the daily time frame. So on the daily, we get a nice impulsive down, breaker structure. I think this is a wave A. I still think this is an A right here. I think this is an A, B, C forming right here. So A, B, C, or B. And then I would expect it to go up again for the C of B. Then I would expect to see a big push down for the bigger wave C of the bigger correction. So right now we're technically still in what I believe is a wave B, an ABC of B on shorter time frames especially. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I think this first push down is an A. I think we're in a wave B right now. I think that the 61% could hold. So if it does something like this, then I definitely would go short because then it's probably going to go down and make a wave C. But like I said, this is all probably an ABC of B still. So once this ABC of B is complete, it's probably going to make a move to the upside, which would be pretty much equal to this move over here, the big wave A for a big wave C over here. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely waiting for a nice breaker structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level to go short. Now it is kind of drifting down right now, but I don't really think that's it. I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, wave 3. This is probably an ABC of 4, and I would expect it to probably go down break, but then go back up again for wave 5. Then if it continues to respect the 61%, goes down break structure, that would be the end of the correction that I'd be looking for the sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. If you do not see this picture, like that 3, 4, 5 shape with the breaker structure, then I would probably not go short, but instead I would probably just continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.